learned. It is learned through constant practice, reminder, and action. Second, social. A person needs to interact with other people for culture to be transmitted the more you interact with other people. Third, share allows action of individuals to be intelligible to other members of their society. Fourth, transmitted. Culture is transmitted through its people, both formally and informally. Fourth, continuous. The transmission of culture elements of one group must be continuous from one generation to the next. To ensure that there is common understanding of the practice, history, and origin. 6. Accumulative. With so much history in any society, there is bound to be change in culture as compared to when it was initially practiced. 7. Integrative. Common practice bring people together. It is a way of sharing with others and making it easier for people to understand and give preference to others who share common practice. 8. Changing. With the develops in technology, government structure, laws, and other elements, and even in people will give rise to change in culture. 9. Society. Of the many subgroups in society, each one brings their own culture mindset to a bigger community.